Hey guys, it's Trina here with another acrylic board tutorial. Today I'm going to be working on an 8x8 canvas. We'll be doing 3 of those. And we're going to do a split pour, Dutch pour. So we'll be blowing it out with a hairdryer and adding in some really fun colors. So you see here I'm doing the white as usual. And I actually forgot that I was going to do a split pour, so I had to wipe some of it off. Oops. And working it around the sides. Now I'm going to add this dark blue mixed with black, the ultramarine mixed with black, so it's almost black but a little bit of blue in there, and you'll see why later. Scraping it off and then blow it off with the hairdryer, which is the reason why I never put the sound up on these, because you don't need to hear that. It's really loud. Okay, so now we're going to start pouring the paint. I've got some burnt umber, and we're going to use some pink and a little bit of white, always, and some gold. This gold is really pretty, and I was going to use that, but I've decided not to use that copper tone color. So hit it with a torch. A little bit more orange, burnt umber, and some brighter pink, and white around the outside, lots of white, and some black around the outside. Now I'm going to blow it out. After the torch, I'm going to blow it from the top and cover it with the white, cover the colors with the white, and then back up to cover the black, and you can see I've got some really nice things happening there. Torch again, and now we're going to blow it out. Like what's happening here. So the rest of these videos are going to be similar, and I'm not going to narrate them all. My paint has become very thin for these Dutch pours. I finally figured out how thin it has to be to get them to be where I want them to be, so I can blow them with a hairdryer. So I might make a video about that soon, so you can see how I mix the paint. If you would like that, leave a comment in the bottom. And as always, like and share, and I will see you on the next one. Hit that subscribe button. Bye.